The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Good morning to you and yours. Happy Monday. We are finally back. Oscar Man is here. Hey, Naked.
Hey, Kutso, you good?
I am great, man.
Yeah.
From the weekend we had, in fact, Friday that we had.
Yeah, man. What a beautiful Friday that we did have as a team. Celebrated the life of Given Baloy's late brother. What a beautiful afternoon. And crazy thing is, at some point, Khupedi Dilokwe was manning the pots.
Yeah.
And Utimana Kanama.
There's nothing crazy there.
Like Khupedi, at a certain, she was a guest, but next thing she's at the pots and everybody's complaining, why Khupedi asa? Why
Listen,
I love that about her.
I want to defend myself. I want
Please.
to explain myself.
Go for it.
When could actually when
Yes, rather.
right? Who would you want by the meat for anything ekayen lako?
Definitely not me, because the meat will be finished.
Yeah, but not
So
anyone.
you put a control person there, right?
No.
No, yes.
Stop nonsense.
Emmanuel, you want healthy control there. A nice measure of hello palikai to next. No, yes.
No
That's
wonder
what you need.
no wonder your maiden surname is Namani.
Ay, don't go there. Don't go there.
Wow.
All I know is, Mena, I did well. I kept law and order.
Yes, ma'am.
People ate.
Yes.
And there was still left.
Over.
Even when we left.
Yes.
Because there were still people coming in and they too needed to eat.
Thank you.
There's a guy
I'll
that said,
defend you,
Kimalume. So I asked him for his ID. Game over.
Yeah, shout out to Given Baloy, and so nice meeting his mom. Mom, we love you. We are with you all the time.
Oh,
Yeah.
and when she cried when she saw the entire team there.
Yeah.
Man.
She's just a girl, that one. I love her so much.
You know what we'll do? Let's get into the news headlines, since Mpitse Papa is in the studio anyways. And then we'll get into Anonymous after these. Don't go anywhere. It's 10:30. Let's speak to Anonymous finally. Good morning, Anonymous.
Morning.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And how are you?
Great, thank you. Thank you for building that courage to call us this morning. You are the chosen one today. Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules and then we'll get into hearing what advice you need this morning. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
All right, we're listening. What's going on?
Well, me and my partner met in 2017. We started dating. Everything was fine. Fast forward, COVID hit. We got retrenched. I fell pregnant. Fast forward, during my pregnancy, the hormones were up and down. There was a period of time where I didn't want my partner. Like, whenever he tries to kiss me, I'll be like, oh, your mouth stinks and all of that. I didn't even want him to touch me. Okay, he felt distant. I distanced myself and all of that. Then he met someone. While I was still pregnant, he also impregnated that lady that he met. Okay, I gave birth in 2021. The lady gave birth in 2022. That's where the problem started. Okay, fine. He did come in and said that this and this happened and the girl is pregnant and whatsoever. And I was like, okay, cool, fine. What are we going to do? He said, no, he'll take care of everything. He'll break up with the lady. He'll just focus on the child and whatnot. Up until today, the lady is still in the picture. They're still meeting. They're still seeing each other. And I always caught them. That's the thing. Whenever he does something, my instinct just tells me that, no, something is off. Go to his place. You will find out what's happening. And I always do. So now, the other day when I went there, the lady was there. We started arguing, me and the lady. And he left me there and left with the girl. Yeah, they left. And that's the thing. Whenever the girl is around, it's like there's something that's shifting in him. He become possessive or possessed, I don't know, but then
Possessive
he isn't
of who?
himself. No, like ngathi udlisiwe of some sort. Because why am I saying that?
Why?
When yes, I wanna get there. Why am I saying that? When we're together, everything is fine, right? Even his family override in Gibo. But then the moment the girl calls, everything changes. He becomes aggressive. He wants to leave. He fights with his family. He fights with me just so that he can be with this girl. He even switch off his phone, knowing very well that there are events that he needs to attend. But because now the girl is here, he won't even attend to that.
So if udlisiwe, what do you think udliswe in? Because I think there's one thing I know that adlisiwe. Yeah, there's one thing he definitely ate, and he keeps going back.
Man. Sorry, it's a line dropping for me.
I could behave.
Man. Another bad breath situation again.
It's the year of bad breath.
What's going on?
Yeah. I have no idea. Our listeners need to let us know. After 12 years of Ask a Man, and within a month, we have
Back to
3
back.
callers telling us about bad breath. Anonymous, are you back? How are you?
I'm back.
Okay. Welcome back. All right. So why do you think he's under her spell? What do you think she gave to him? Udleni or udliswe ini?
I don't know, because I know nothing about Uglisa, but then
So why do you think udlisiwe?
the thing is, Nasegibo, they are saying that because even his behavior has changed, even his focus has changed, everything about him has changed ever since the girl came. He went from being this focused guy to this reckless guy, this drinking guy, and even the lady always buys him drinks just so that she can keep him or whatever that they are doing.
Does he look happy?
So it's not.
Are you jealous that she makes him happy?
No, I'm not. Or maybe I am. But then I don't think to that point, to that level. It's not even about me being jealous that she makes him happy. It's about me understanding or knowing him way better than she does.
But then if you understand him way better than she does, why does he protect her? Why does he, when she's around, why is he that different person? Why has he chosen her over you?
But then is he being a drunkard when she's with her different, or is it special, or is it him being happy with umthengela? And that's the only thing that she does, knowing very well that this person isn't working. I need to uyenza 1, 2, 3, 4 for him to build him, but instead he buys him booze, and that's the only thing that she does. So is that making him a better person or growing this person, or is she encouraging him the way
Anonymous, you fighting today?
Yeah,
I know you're fighting.
But Anonymous, you're fighting for a person that's not fighting for you. Right? And remember, sometimes, look, I'm not in your relationship, but sometimes you have to allow people to choose you, and he hasn't chosen you.
Why are you saying he hasn't chosen me?
No, because okay, Kolum. I'm sure uso nalendota yakho.
No,
Uyamshouta naye.
I'm not shouting. I have flu, so my voice is a bit quickly sore. So I'm trying ukuzwakala because I have flu.
No, don't worry. We can hear you loud and clear.
Get better soon.
And I'm glad that you are angry. Anonymous, you must take out all your anger. I want you to take out all your anger on me, ne? So that you don't have to take it out on him. So with him, you can have a normal conversation. So
Okay.
even though I don't know what's happening between you and your man right now, I'm going to pretend like I know. Like I'm your man, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Wena, because I'm unemployed, uhlala ungishouta. And then uhlala ungitshela ukuthi, hey, ngiwile. And that hurts me. And the reason why I go there and drink my problems away is because she's not too hard on me like you are. I understand I don't have a job, but I'm trying. I'm trying for you, I'm trying for this kid. But because I don't have a job wena, you don't treat me well. And uthi nginomoya omubi. Kanti uwo nomoya omubi towards me.
Awuthengele i-toothbrush.
Answer, Anonymous.
No, that's the thing. I don't even shout at him. I don't even bring out ukuthi awusebenzi or uwile. I don't do that.
But then you did
Instead,
that with us. You know what? The fact that you did that with us. Remember, there's certain things also that you can feel and you can do, but you don't have to say. Like your actions speak louder than words. Even your frustration when you were like, he is nothing and she is how do you say that your person that you claim to love and you are fighting for, that person, is nothing because they don't have a job? Like uwile. Like what does that mean? Uwile because you don't have a job. Hey, I'm unemployed. I was trying my best, and unfortunately this is the situation. Anonymous, you don't have the only unemployed man in South Africa. There's a bunch of unemployed men because of the state of our economy. And yes, you are right. That he should not be drinking. He should be doing other things to better his life right now. But once a person has chosen somebody else, then you can't dictate what he must do. He's not your child. Right?
Yes.
And I'm not saying what he's doing is right. I am just saying he has chosen what he has chosen. He's got reasons for choosing what he's chosen. Maybe it's the stresses of not being able to take care of his family, blah, 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 blah. There's never a good enough reason to drink. And are you not over-exaggerating his drinking?
No.
Just because you are angry, are you sure you're not over-exaggerating his drinking?
No, I'm not. And it's the way ubeka ngakhona. Okay, fine. I understand ukuthi akasebenzi. I am not even judgmental of that part.
Okay.
I also do play my part.
Okay.
Kuye ekuthena akasebenzi. Hence I'm the one osebenzayo right now.
Okay.
See, I still use my CV. I also have CVs on my phone. Ukuthi whenever I see posts, I apply for him. I send him posts. Let's do this and this and this. Let's update your CV. Let's do this and this and this and this. Let's go door to door and do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I do not buy him booze. Why? Because I know the type of a person that he is. Whenever I buy him booze, we are just chilling. It's not something that I want.
So you do buy him booze. Oh, so you do.
Not always.
Okay.
Yes, not always. Ngaleso sikhathi leso, because I don't want it ukuthi kube into ya every day kumele siphuze endlini, every day kumele siphuze.
Why do you think she buys him booze?
I don't know.
Okay, why do you buy him booze?
Vane ngithenge when sisekibo mhlambe chilling with his family.
Yeah, but remember now he's chilling with her. Gumnandi. So the same reason why you buy him booze is the same reason why she's buying him booze. And remember when you said things happen where he chooses her. Even in your presence, he chooses her. He's hurt you, Anonymous. Do you understand that? Right?
Yes, I do.
And come on, when you were pregnant and you were saying to him, hey, unomoyo movie, whatever, it was stupid of him. He was probably even cheating before. Okay. I'm not even going to say you. Every man knows that, women go through emotional ups and downs when they're pregnant. So whatever they say is never a reason to cheat. Hence, I'm saying, he was probably even cheating on you before. Okay? Now, he went and impregnated somebody else while you were pregnant. You put your health at risk and the baby's health at risk as well. You gave birth. He's still choosing this lady over you right now. When you are still fighting for this on your own. Akanandaba yena. Right? And that's why uzokwatela nezinto that don't even make sense. Yeah, she buys and bullshit, you do the same. Yeah, she does this, you do the same. But at the end of the day, Anonymous is whatever he's going through in life right now, he's chosen her over you. Don't fight for this guy. He's made a choice. And Anonymous, it's okay losing. And it's okay losing to that other woman. It's fine.
So even if he spends 90% of his time with me
but
and 10% with her,
Anonymous,
he still chose her.
Anonymous.
Can you respond to her after this?
Okay, Kutso.
Anonymous, can we hold it there? We coming back?
Hey, Kutso will stop you.
Very stop
Hey,
nonsense.
Anonymous, say Kutso uyadina ne.
Yeah, you
Uyadina ne, Anonymous.
Dina wena naked.
Saddle up. Hollywood Bets invites you to join.
46 minutes after 10 o'clock, Anonymous started dating a guy in 2017, and their relationship was okay for the most part in the beginning stages, right? Years later, she fell pregnant and said that during this time, she lost interest in her partner, didn't even want him to touch her. She believed his behavior drove him into the arms of another woman, and he also ended up impregnating this other woman. She found out about this. They worked through all of it, continued with the relationship. However, he can't seem to let this other woman go. Now, Anonymous feels like she's cast the spell on him, this other woman. He's changed a lot since being with her, and not only neglecting their relationship, but he's also neglecting his career and his life in general. Now, Anonymous was asking Naked before we went to pay the bills, then why is my man with me 90% of the time rather than her? Because Naked is saying, leave him to be with her.
Yeah. So he's with you because it's comfortable and because he's stuck with you. You know, he's stuck in that comfort. He knows that you're not going to let him go, Aker, because you keep fighting for him, Anonymous. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So there's that thing where you're unemployed. You might be in an unhappy relationship, but you're like, ish, I'm just stuck here because the other one, it's nice to be there temporarily. I just go do my rounds, literally. But then I'm going to go back home, but I don't want to be there, but I don't have the money to move out. I don't have the money, to get my own place. I'm really annoyed being there. I don't want to be there, but I'm stuck there.
But we don't stay together.
How about Anonymous? Didn't use... Okay, so, but he's with you 90% of the time.
Yes,
Where does he stay?
We're always together. But then I do go where he stays. Most of the time, we were together.
So when you are at his house 90% of the time? At his mother's house? When uhlale or at your own place?
Quick one, Anonymous. I'm just interested to find out, is she younger than you? Manyana Naked.
Yeah, she is.
Kili 2K, ne?
Ah, Kutso.
Yeah.
Hey.
So ama 2K ayashisa. Anonymous. And then, why did you ask the age thing?
I don't know. Just her personality made me ask if she is younger than her. Mm-hmm. Anonymous, was I fair to ask if she's younger than you?
Sorry?
Was I fair to ask if she is younger than you?
No, it is okay.
And does the 2K work?
Yeah.
And then, Yana, where does the 2K live?
Far from him.
Not that far.
And this guy's sex is imunati, na?
Sex?
Yeah, sex. Because they can't let go.
Oh.
Both, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, like, tell Kutso about it.
Mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing. Yenzan. Fireworks.
Yes, it's nice. It is good. Mind-blowing, yes, so to say.
That's why we can't let go, ne? No matter, the disrespect, the impregnating other women, the choosing other women in your presence.
Why go back?
Because the sex is great, Kutso. Sex is everything, Kutso. You know?
But then on that one, where you say he chose her because he left with her and all that, but then he did come back. It's not like he took an hour because he was just accompanying her to where she was staying. Then she came back.
Okay. So Anonymous, when I was telling Zinto, you tell us things and then you come back with nonsense. Ne? So let me tell you then about your man. Your man loves you, okay? Your man spends most of his time with you. Your man did not choose her because he just made sure she was safe going home. And he came back home, didn't he? Yes, he did. Your man is with you most of the time. All he goes there for is just sex, but nothing more. He's with you because he really loves you. And that's where his heart is. The other one, it's just love. The other one, it's no love at all. Ke sexy fella. So take it for what it is. His heart is with you. He has chosen you. Wankutlo.
You are changing your statement.
No.
I'm glad you're listening.
No,
though,
you know,
Anonymous.
yeah,
I'm glad you're
exactly.
listening.
Because Anonymous, you've changed your statement 50 times. I am you, and you are me. You've changed your statement so many times, so you don't even know where, Anonymous, you don't know where you are. The problem's not with this guy. The problem is with you. Decide what you want and stick to what you want. Because you told us about disrespect, and then you told us it's not disrespect. You complained.
I didn't say it's not disrespect.
You said begam kapile, but Anonymous, you brought it up, right?
Yeah.
And when you brought it up, it sounded like disrespect. In my presence, he left with her. And when we break it down for you, then it's no longer disrespect anymore. He's a prince, a knight in shining armor because he cares about the safety of Ama2K. Right? Yeah, she buys him booze. Okay, do you buy him booze? Yes, I buy him booze. So Anonymous, you don't know whether you're coming or going. The problem is not with this guy. The problem, Yazin, decide what you want, ne? And remember, what you want really matters. And stick to what you want. If you want a monogamous man, find yourself a monogamous man. If you want to compete with Ama2K, then Chimamfaz. You know what I mean? You're competing Ama2K. Uzohlulega. Right? So decide what you want. And if ubatla urata stock suite more than anything, like a stock suite is going to determine how your life ends. Your life is ruled by a penis. Aye. Anonymous, stop being drunk in love, okay?
It's 6 a.m. in Kenya. Victor's little sister starts high school today, but her fees need to be paid first.
For the Lifetime Achievement Award winner at the Metro FM Music Awards 2026. Metro FM, it's where you want to be.
We've got 4 minutes, just enough time for you to give advice to Anonymous. That number to dial 086,000 2160. But Naked, I think let's start with our voice note. 060-552-7303.
Yo, I Naked. Yo, but Velia announcer is just in denial. I feel like we must just stop doing this as women. Man, you know, if someone chooses someone over you and they make it so obvious, they should actually make it easy for one to leave. Yeah. I Naked, not today. Yeah, you are on fire.
Yeah.
You're not drunk in love. I mean.
Hey, good morning, guys.
Morning.
Anonymous. Anonymous, you started all this. You started all this by being disrespectful to the man that loves you. You didn't have a problem with. Now, The man went and go seek comfort somewhere else.
That's right.
Now you saying he has a problem, but you started all this. If he has a problem and you have a problem with that, just leave him. Leave him. Because remember, you started saying started his mouth stinks just because he's unemployed.
Exaggerating,
No,
guys.
Just
Ask
leave
a
him
man is
because you
triggering.
started all this. Thank you.
Good morning, like Ask a Man
Morning.
team.
Hey.
You know, like honestly, guys, me, I just want to say that the lady, like she should have, when she called, she should have actually said, guys, I have a problem. Please help me. Because, like, honestly, from the point that she's stating her things, I mean, it's definitely giving that thing where I was like, she called, and now it seems like she wasted her time calling through, you know. So, like, I honestly think that she should have said that, guys, I have a problem. Kopela lintuse, like, with this problem that I have, you know. So in terms of like, how do I better myself to being a better person? So like, yeah, thank you. Otherwise, guys, like, just on top of that, the guy doesn't really love her. So like, just he chose that other woman. So because of her actions, so she just needs help. Thank you, Reginald Sochango.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. Naked?
Ladies, stop blaming witchcraft when we no longer want you. Okay? When we no longer want you, that's it. As in Funi, we've had enough. It's not witchcraft. All right? Do you know who the witch becomes in this situation?
Who?
The one saying it's witchcraft. Because now you are blaming other people for witchcraft. Gantai umthakathi wuwe. And this is the reason why singanifuni. Nkhuluma kakhulu.
You see what the Glosses did there when he was speaking?
Lightning. Was that lightning?